He hung up on me. You just hung up on me? Mga simpleng bagay, naging malaki.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Nakabihis na tayo. Binalik ko lang tong damit kahapon kasi sinuot ko lang siya yung nag-live stream ako. At saka after that, nagbihis ulit ako. So, binalik ko lang siya at saka sinuot ko to. Matagal na ito guys. Sobrang, maliit na sa akin. So, bahala na sa Batman ang gipit-gipit. Ang gipit dito. But anyway, good morning. And today is Monday. I'm going sa isang bahay doon sa kapatid ni Tami. And 12 o'clock. A time check ngayon is 8:39. So, maaga pa talaga. Kagabi, may iringan kaming Tami. Nag-usap kami kagabi. May iringan. And then, parang para maiwasan yung sobrang away na away, hindi na kami nag-usap. Pero, nakatulog ako 12 o'clock kasi sanay ako na mag-usap kami, andito siya. Kaso, wala siya dito. Mag-usap kami bago matulog, lalala, kahit nag-aaway na, and then in the end, alam nyo naman kami, in the end, magtatawanan na lang, ganun-ganun. Pero, wala kasi siya dito, so para maiwasan yung sobrang away or sobrang iringan naming dalawa is, hindi na kami nag-usap. Sabi niya, usap tayo bukas. Pero hindi ako tumawag, guys. Hindi ako tumawag this morning. Yun ang bahala sa Batman. Itong poison ivy dito, guys, marami-rami dito na area. So, the other day, few days ago, yeah, 3 days na ngayon, I think 3 days na ngayon, dito siya. May mga bandages na naman. Hello. Morning. Nothing.
Okay. I got a few things I gotta get done. I gotta get that checked. The post office, and I have to have it sent special delivery. I gotta get the oil change in spot. This is 1,200 miles overdue. Then I gotta deposit rider check with the money that account. I'm guessing you never heard from Andrea?
She called me.
Mom got the house to say.
She have to call back 1 o'clock to them.
Oh, she's crazy fucking place. What? They can't figure out ahead of time. So stupid. And what else?
Nothing. Okay, you go ahead.
Alright. Yeah, I need to get that house. That's how shit gets. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And then I heading up there. I probably won't be bringing anything. We'll see. But really pack anything this time.
So Andrea will call me back.
When is she supposed to call you back? After 1?
If she have dialysis or what? After she called them.
You know, but if she's gonna call you and you're not there, and then you gotta get there, and you say, oh, she has to be here in 15 minutes. Well, how does that help?
Okay, you go ahead.
Alright, I'll talk to you when I'm headed there.
Okay, I'm gonna leaving here 1:30. 11:30. He hung up on me.
You know, I hung up.
You just hung up on me?
I didn't hang up on you. I said, if you want to go down, just text me so I know when I get nothing. I look at the phone and it was gone.
Okay, I'll leaving here 1:30 to 11:30.
Okay. You know, I'm leaving here in about 3 minutes. I'm going to get this done.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'll be talking to you later.
What?
Love you. Talk to you later.
Loud?
I think that was loud enough.
No, I don't hear it.
No, hear it. You need to hear it. What are you going to pick ear from here for? Love you. I'll talk to you later.
You don't see my name.
What?
See my name.
King.
What did you say with my name in it?
King.
That's it?
Love you. Talk to you later.
I love you too. Hey,
Bye.
see something and with my name.
Good. What's your name?
Call me. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kahit in person, ganun din siya. Iba kasi ako magalit, guys. And then siya din. And then iba ako magalit. Yung tono ng boses ko is galit. Ayaw kong hindi ako yung galit na parang okay. May mga galit kasi. may mga tao kasing galit na okay. Parang mahinhin pa rin sila kahit galit. Ako guys, iba ako guys pag magalit. Makikita sa mukha, makikita sa aksyon ng katawan ko at sa tono ng pananalita ko. Kung gusto man akong may baguhin ng Panginoon sa akin is yun. Gusto kong galit na maging mahinahon. May kilala akong galit na sobrang mahinahon pero so, ganyan ako kapag galit. Pero, ang ano naman sa amin na mag-asawa is, kapag naggagalit, nag-uusap kami, in the end, kung siya palagi magsasabing, I love you, da, 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 something like that. And then, that's what always happened. Did you hear the way we talk? The way he said it, and then I kind of like teasing him. Something, yun kami guys. Ganon kami mag-aaway. And hindi daw talaga yung talagang ibang away na guys is away na talaga is iba na yun. Pero yung mga discussion namin kagabi kasi is mga simpleng bagay naging malaki. And yun, sabi, usap tayo bukas yan. So yun, and tapos na ako naglagay ng foundation. Sobrang ganda. Wait and Wild guys, Wait and Wild. Foundation Photo Focus. And yung lipstick ko is yung Wait and Wild also. Wait and Wild. Ito lang naman yung palagi kong ginagamit. Ano ng oras guys? 11:14. So, punta lang ako doon. Hindi ko alam kung kakain pa ba ako or what. Kakain na lang ako doon sa kanila. Anyway guys, bigyan ko lang tong pagkain ito. Mga, ang kailangan kong maglinis dito sa filming room. Kailangan kasi tignan natin kung saan matutulog yung biyanan ko. Dito siya kasi ando na yung Ay naku, wag mo akong ano-anohin. So dito siya sa office. Tignan natin. Tingnan lang natin kung anong mangyayari. Pero yeah, linisin ko dito. Yung mga boxes lang. Kailangan niya talaga i-sort na kalagay. Hindi ko pa talaga siya na aayos. I will be right back. I'm going to go to Aunt Andrea's house. And then Dada will come in here. I think Dada will be direct coming here. And then I think after that, I will bring Grandma. Let's see if she has a dialysis, okay? And that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna tell Dada to come over here and spend time with you. Okay? Instead of going over there. There. Come over here. Come closer, Roxy. Closer. Listen to me. Sit down, sit. I said sit. Sit down, sit. Listen to Mama. I'll be right back. You listen, okay? You sit. Roxy, sit. Roxy, listen to Mama. Dada will be here. And you wait. Mama will see. I will bring Grandma here. I will. Yeah, she'll be here. Grandma! Grandma! You love Grandma? Ayoyoy, guys.
Ai,
No, ayayay.
ai chiều chị.
Huh?
Ai...